Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been a wild few weeks. I have moved house, I've been raising my children, and I've been trading the financial markets in my prop trading account with the 5%ers. In this video, I'm going to share with you all of the trades that I have taken this week, the winners and the losers, and how I managed to finish up 3 times my risk on the week, even though I lead an extremely busy lifestyle. This video should help you out if you are also living a very busy lifestyle, if you have full-time work, to show to you that it is doable. You just need to choose a market, have a strong trading plan, make sure to grab a free copy below, and of course a strategy that works. I'm going to talk more about the strategy that worked for me in this video. In MetaTrader 5, this is my prop trading account that I have with the 5%ers. I have been trading this for a few weeks now. This is their hypergrowth program, and I'll talk more about it later in the video. For now, I just want to draw your attention to the rows here. Although these are red, one of these trades was a winning trade, but it was a trailed profit stop loss. So altogether, I took 2 winners and 3 losers. My accuracy was actually down, but it did not matter because my profit lot ratio was up. I made more than I lost. I actually won a total of 6R, 6 times my risk, and I took 3 losers. So altogether, I finished up 3R on the week. And this shows the importance of a positive profit loss ratio. Always aim to make more than you are losing. So let's talk more about this last trade that I took on the DAX. It was the last trade of the day. This was the most simple trade because it tapped into a new strategy that I'm going to talk more about to you. This strategy is more simple and it's easier to execute if you have a busy lifestyle because it's taken at the end of the day. And the best way to fully talk about this strategy is by going onto the charting platform. Now in this video, I'm going to break down the trade with you step by step, but I am thinking of creating a separate, more in-depth, longer video where I break down every aspect of this strategy step by step for you. If you're interested in that video, do let me know in the comments below. Let's recap the winning trade that I took this Wednesday trading the German index market. Here I am on the 1 hour time frame, and we can see that this week we have predominantly just been making a downtrend. We've been making a low of the week, little pullback and a low here, but there is not a large range. We're not making big movements. This is a steady downtrend. And because it was slowing down, I felt that it was gearing up for a reversal, which is why I took some losing trades initially, because I actually misread this candlestick signal right here, the closing 12 o'clock candlestick on the 1 hour. This is a pin bar. We've got a large low wick. I believed at the time it was rejecting a strong daily level, and I used this as a reversal entry for a long, but it didn't work out and it hit my stop. Always good to show you the losing trades as well, because you don't always win when it comes to trading. Well, how then did I know it was going to win? Because I've tried to go long, I didn't immediately just switch short, but it did confirm to me that this long-term trend was still strong. We are still coming down. So again, where's the best place to short? Well, this is all about time theory. Once you understand a daily bias, when you read market structure, you can see that the price is coming down. We're in a downtrend. If you struggle to see this using candlesticks, you can always add on an EMA, an exponential moving average, just to help to give you that indication that we are in a downtrend. Price is trending below this EMA. We've got a rejection here, 8 o'clock in the morning. What was the strong giveaway for me, if I really zoom in on intraday price action, the current day, is the fact that from the start of the day here, I'm just looking at the immediate lows and highs using the bodies. Price came down. This was that pin bar that I mentioned earlier. We pulled back during the New York Open. But then this 4 o'clock candlestick close, the body closed below the low of the day. When you make a new structure at that time of the day, 5 o'clock in the evening, GMT, in this case, a new low, a low of the day, This can be a very strong indication of a trend continuation because it's already had the liquidity of the London session and the New York Open, which can provide a lot of choppiness, which means that usually at this point of the day, the trend is going to be more clear. It's going to be more decisive. We've already tested whether we're going to have a reversal or not. And if it's failed, it means it's generally going to continue down. Taking this into consideration, I dropped to a faster time frame, the 5-minute time frame. Just after 5 o'clock, price pushed up here. And as you can see, I got short at 241.90. So I got short around about this point as price was pushing up. I didn't wait for a new candlestick signal. I was using this prior one. This big candlestick, this bearish engulfing. I was just looking for a pullback into this area so that the entry was higher up. My stop was 50 pips, placing it above the exponential moving average. But more importantly, just jumping back to the 1 hourly time frame, my stop was at the open of this candlestick, the closing 4 o'clock candlestick, because I believed that if we're going to push up that far, price was likely to continue all the way up. I used a pretty long take profit order. If I just go back, we got 23990. This was due to 2 reasons. The first was a break of the low of the day. And the second reason was using a daily level. I always incorporate daily levels into my trading plan, whether it is for an entry or an exit, because they work like magnets for price. And if I scroll back, I know that we are on the 1 hourly time frame here, but you can see that we had this little order block right here. This, I believed, was going to act like a magnet for price, which is why I set my target just before this level here. So I got entered into this trade, and I actually held this trade overnight. It took a little bit of time because we weren't getting any big movements. There wasn't a lot of momentum. However, in the new session in the morning, the early hours of the Asian session, price just continued trending down. It tapped that key level and it exited me out of the trade in profit. Now, you could say that this would have been a good place to get long because we got a tap of this key daily level. I was asleep at the time, so I missed that move completely, but that was an opportunity for the Asian session to capitalize on this bounce. That is a concrete part of my trading plan, is incorporating key daily levels. But it's interesting to see how time theory really comes into play and how you can make money trading even when you are busy with a full-time job or family commitments, as I am. If you have been following my journey as a prop firm trader, I am still in the Hypergrowth program. I have had a very busy few weeks. I have moved house, and you can pretty much see my lifestyle reflected in my equity curve here. Because I was doing so well, I got extremely close to the profit target. And then I made the mistake of trading whilst moving house instead of taking a bit of time off away from the charts. And I lost all of my profits. So now I am very carefully, conservatively building it back up and making my way back towards the profit target. Once you've learned the technicals and you have a strong trading plan, trading is 90% about emotions and psychology, and I need to remember that. Fortunately, the 5%ers prop firm offer a variety of different programs which do not have an expiry date, which is a massive game changer in my opinion when it comes to prop trading. This is the Hypergrowth program, the program that I am currently trading. They have a couple of different options here. My profit target is 10%. So once I hit $1,000 in my account, that's when I will level up the account. What do I mean by level up? Well, if I scroll to the bottom here, you can see the scaling plan for Hypergrowth. And why I love this program, this is my favorite program in my opinion, because every time that you hit the profit target, you actually double the account balance, which is a lot of potential long term to make a lot of money, which is what we are all aspiring to do as traders. If you want some more information about that program, check out the link below in the description, or feel free to watch this video to find out more. I hope you enjoyed this. Please smash the like button. Let me know in the comments any questions, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.